What we have here is a Redneck bicycle stand, and we're going to go through how we go about making it. Real simple, out of some brush. Anyway, find you a fork and a pair of nippers or a pocket knife. Just cut it off, make a fork. And you got to figure out how long it needs to be. I mean, you know, it could be the whole length or as short as you need. Forks work best if they're stuck up in the seat. I think for this one right here, it needs to be just about as long as that is right there. But we'll cut it a little longer to start with. And that's all there is to it. Could use that part right there for stick for throwing spear. Anyway, we'll go into that some other time. There it is. Just a fork stick propped up, and that's all there is to a Redneck bike stand.